Over the past few years, I've been trying to master different skills, from coding to video editing. And along the way, I've explored lots of methods, but two in particular really stuck with me. And if you want to learn more about this method, stick around because you'll want to start learning new skills non-stop. And because no one likes a long intro, let's get started. So this is what the template looks like when you open it for the first time. On the top left, you have the quick action section, where with just one click you can create new tasks, add new skills and areas. On the right, you've got the task section, where you can see the tasks required to master your skills displayed in different views. Inside each task, you'll be able to see its status, the level it's assigned to, but we'll talk about this level when we get to the skills and levels, the related skill and area, and a time tracker to monitor how much effort you're putting in. But you might be asking, how do I actually track time? Well, when you open a task, you'll find additional info like a due date, task description, scroll down, and you'll see the time tracker. Just click start session when you begin and end session when you're done. The time gets automatically logged under the corresponding task, skill, and area. Next up is the skills and levels, and this is where the two methods I mentioned earlier come into play. I'm sure you're now thinking, Astro, what are all these numbers? Well, this section combines Bloom's taxonomy and the 10,000 hour rule into one simple system. You've likely heard of the 10,000 hour rule. You know, the idea that mastering any skill takes around 10,000 hours of practice. But you might not know Bloom's taxonomy, which is a learning model that breaks down skill development into 6 levels: remembering, understanding, applying, analyzing, evaluating, and creating. But you might be thinking, but Astral, I don't want to spend 10,000 hours on every skill. Luckily, you don't have to. You can customize the total hours for each skill depending on its complexity. And once you set a start date, the template will automatically calculate how many days you've been working towards mastery. If you found these methods useful, give the video a like. And if you liked this template so far, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment with your thoughts or drop this emoji for the sake of engagement. If you keep scrolling, you'll find the areas section. This section is more like an extra insight. You can quickly see how many tasks you've completed, how many are pending, and how much time you've invested in each area. Finally, there's the navigation section. This is where you can dig deeper into your mastering journey. For example, under tasks, you'll find alternative views, like your tasks for the week, month, and all your tasks, and calendar views for your weekly and monthly tasks, and a timeline view for all your tasks. Same goes for skills and areas. It's all about giving you a clear and organized view of your learning journey. So now you've started your skill mastering journey, but if you don't practice consistently, you won't progress. In my next video, I'll show you how I build habits that actually stick, so you can copy my exact system. Click here to check out a tour of my habit tracker and start mastering any skill you want.